Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge silica gel without an oven. Silica gel is fantastic for keeping things dry, absorbing excess moisture to protect your valuables. When it becomes saturated, it changes color, indicating it's time for a refresh. Recharging it means you can reuse it many times, saving you money and reducing waste. Let's dive into a simple, oven-free method. For the sunlight method, first, spread your silica gel beads in a thin, even layer on a dark-colored tray or baking sheet. Dark surfaces absorb more heat, speeding up the drying process. Place this tray in direct sunlight, ideally on a warm, dry day. Leave it for at least 6 to 8 hours, turning the beads every couple of hours to ensure all sides are exposed to the sun's warmth. Another quick and easy method is using your microwave. Place your silica gel in a microwave-safe, open container. Heat it on medium-low power for short bursts, around 30 seconds at a time. After each 30-second interval, remove the container and stir the gel thoroughly. This prevents hot spots and ensures even drying. Repeat this process until the gel changes back to its dry color. You'll know your silica gel is fully recharged when it returns to its original dry color, often a vibrant blue, orange, or clear. Once it's dry, it's crucial to let it cool down completely to room temperature. After cooling, immediately transfer the recharged silica gel into an airtight container. This prevents it from absorbing moisture from the air again, keeping it ready for its next use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.